Ako. Nulahi ko bay. Mura ni kuha. Nahali na.
Gamay kayo, mga
Wala pa ka nahalinan.
wala.
Mayaway na. I'm sorry but say to sad. I say to sad. Ay, samo ko dili ko kabalo mag-English. Maura na iyang kuha. Kinara na tunga ra.
Apa ang mga kilohan?
Isa ka kilo? But sad to say is only that mingwit 1 kilo hair call of Risagen napag-hi Risagen hi kay Makhan pag-hi ba naku regalo I'm go to this is pathway. Hello. Ay pagilis daw. Dili ara guni mo nakahumol. Ito Risagen solo Risagen ka. Na hi. Dawata sa palihog.
Tina din hoy.
Hi. Na good afternoon Kim Hakhan. Arit. Ikaw rabo arit. Kuwaon ako na akong ikubaga. Tanawa.
Na good afternoon, Kim Hakhan.
And Mr. Jen Kim, good afternoon.
Tina din.
Alak ka.
Ikaw bo. Ngabo.
Abo ah.
Ngabo.
Abo ah.
Di ano ba yan? Kuan ka lang. Wala di anak awak. Di ka anak.
Ano ba? Asa yung daan be? Pero magamit pa. Ang hawiranan may wala.
Wala na.
Ah, ay ganyan ka na kay Priman oh. Ay sabi.
Hakhan na.
Ina.
Sige na dali.
Thank you. Uy, sige na.
Sige na. Thank you.
Na, ikaw na lang ret. Di natin na siya mapugos.
Thank you, Kim Hakhan and Mr. Jen Kim for measures.
And 1K.
1K man.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Kim Hakhan, for giving this to Risagen and Rito, this family. And giving 1,000 to Rito. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
For me, sige siya.
Ay, pagdala ni ko sa'yo.
Kung sana. Thank you very much all Korean subscriber. And also thank you very much Kim Hakhan.
Ulahon ba?
All Korean subscriber are going to Angeline house. Hello, mother. Nasuguan ko, mother. Ayo. Angelo. Morning. Na good morning. Sada lagi kag alot oy. Diri ra ko?
Ano niya, ate? Ipon ako.
Di ay.
Kayo na siya.
Good morning, Angeline. Ayo digtago. Ay biya. Nandra ako abi.
Angeline.
Ko ka magbugat. Bang kagadain kuan ako nang ikubaga.
Lantal dito. Nasalamat. Salamat.
Baka pa yati sa isa yung itubog. Dapat tagaan si ati sa isa ini mo.
Pagkaon sa kanon, pagkaon sa Angeline, magkaon sa kag kanon, aya ka mag-inuman na. Sige, pag thank you sa kang Mr. Kim Hakhan. Angeline, thank you, Mr. Kim Hakhan. Ikaw.
Morning. Thank you, Mr. Kim Hakhan. Sa food niya, ang Angeline.
And giving this.
I'm giving this money. Thank you so much.
Thank you all very much, Mr. Kim Hakhan, for giving this Angeline families for milk and days for this family. Thank you very much. And giving this money 1,000
Thank you.
and 1,000 to groceries. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
This
much.
is family giving. Also, thank you very much, Mr. Jin Kim. Thank you very much, all Korean subscriber. Thank you,
Thank you. Ano ba?
Mr. Jin Kim.
Ano sa dito eh?
Uy, kang Mr. Jin Kim.
Mr. Jing.
And Kim Hakhan. And all Korean subscriber. All
All. Yung mina pa mo.
Korean subscriber. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God
Sige.
bless.
Okay na. 3 minutes na. Sige, pangaon na mong biskwit.
Salamat kaya
Sige.
tiya.
I'm going to Merly. Delivery to milk. Gabi na kami naabot. Ay. Good morning, mother. Ah? Hello. Sa? Naambot, nalibog may samong lakaw kay imbes nang apply raman unta sila naabot na may samong credit. Muna ilang mga naw.
Good morning. Muna sila. Salamat.
Good morning, this is Tambal ni Merly. This is Sudan dish. Because bawal-bawal.
Uy, sa mani.
Walay galunggong.
Wow, nalagay pencil case.
Gani. Kang sa Jen food kay naay ka ng balunan og tubig. Mahal lagi kay sa Gaisano manggod.
Mga kuan kanang basta guys ano dagan yun ang mga pre.
Lagma ra. Nay pre duha ka buhok nila. Hasta kang kuan.
Isa na ako salamat.
Ang Kim raman ni. This is remaining to giving to Merly. Ikaw ra bang pag thank you dayon. Ang Kim raman ni.
Ready na. Hello to our Korean subscribers. Good morning. Mr. Jin Kim, thank you so much for giving these foods, milk and bread, and also the remaining money. Thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you very much, all Korean subscriber. Also, thank you, Mr. Jin Kim. God bless. Budget nga kida nila bay pangbayad to na ko sa vlog.
Pila ka itlog yung orderon day?
Is for good morning Korean subscriber. Thank you very much, all Korean subscriber, to, especially to Kim Hakhan for giving groceries and money to Angeline family. This is mini milk and biscuits and eggs and hot dog for Angeline. This is receipt not include to egg. Other no receipt to egg. Budget of 1K. Thank you very much, Mr. Kim Hakhan and also Mr. Jin Kim for this giving Angeline. And also thank you very much for these groceries and milk and sudan. This for giving Risa Jen and Rito family. Thank you very much, Mr. Kim Hakhan, for giving these groceries to Risa Jen. This is 830, not include to egg, other receipt. Budget of 1K, giving to Risa Jen. Mr. Kim Hakhan, thank you very much for giving this to Risa Jen and Rito family, to an Angeline family too. Thank you very much. Budget of 1K, it's groceries. This is Risa Jean. And this is to Angeline families. And also thank you very much, Mr. Jin Kim, especially to giving Merly milk. Important to Merly because only this gatas milk, only milk to this Merly, not allowed to salt, only milk. Thank you very much, Mr. Jin Kim, all Korean subscriber. Thank you. Thank you all. God bless you. I'm all ready to deliver to home, kids. Thank you very much.